It's 2018 and it's time for some truth. Ash your hands, it's okay. I will like to say this. This video is just pretty much coming clean. So if you don't want to watch this, please click on that exit button and don't watch. And if you do want to watch this, be prepared to see some real. It might be too real, but you know what? It's me. And I know that essentially it's you. So you can't be afraid of you by being afraid of me. Yes, I was not sure how I was going to start this video, so I started it the way I started it. This has come about, sorry that was a towel. This has come about because I was speaking to one of my girlfriends and we were just catching up, and I thought to myself, what the heck am I doing? Like, I'm sitting in my room, I'm not doing what I need to be doing, which is filming, and I'm miserable. Why am I miserable? And I realize it's because I'm sitting here detoxing my face and I'm not detoxing me. Not that like my life is toxic, but I'm not being, is real the word? I don't know if real is the word or if it's more I'm not being inspired the way I want to be inspired. Yes, I know I'm frightening all of you out there with this mask on, which is why I'm going to take this off before we continue. So anyway, I'm going to go wash this mask and I'm going to start a video about my makeup that I purchased, that I probably should not have purchased, but I saw it and I thought it was cute. So I want you guys to see it, and I just want you to listen to me talking. And anyway, I have blabbered and I'm going to go take this freaking towel. I'm gonna wash this off and come back with no brows and messed up skin, and yes, we're gonna start. So let me go do that. Clean face. Guys, this feels so free. I feel so free. It has been an ordeal. Now while I'm talking, I'm gonna do my thing. So I'm gonna spray my Mario, but it's good. This year has been interesting, and I just have been away because I believe in, I'm putting on moisturizer. I believe in posting when I'm in a place. You know, when things are perfect, when I have the perfect lighting, when I have something really awesome to show you or talk to you about, and that's not life. I'm tired of waiting for things to be perfect, because by the time I wait for something to be perfect, time is gone. Time is gone. I was like, let me wait for my skin to get to a plate. My skin is like this right now because my body literally went through so much medication to get myself to a place where I'm alive and well, and we will get into that if I decide to in a whole different video. So I decided I'm gonna come on here and live my life and film it and do what my best friend has been telling me to do forever, and just film myself talking. So what I'm doing, the heater has to come off. I'm gonna turn that off. I'm gonna turn that off. I am no longer going to wait until things are perfection to start living my truth and living my life. We all have things. Why am I putting so much corrector? We all have moments and things that happen in our life that really throw us for a loop. And it would be lovely if we could see other people going through it and making us not feel like we're crazy, that we aren't alone in this situation, you know? And I don't know, it feels right. It feels right to do this. So I figured I'm gonna do it. I don't care about any backlash. I don't care if it doesn't look perfect. I don't care. And in 2018, I figured I'm gonna be fully my authentic self. And my authentic self, which I've always been, and it's not that, all this noise, it's not that I haven't been myself, it's that I've been waiting for outside things to be perfect so I can show my authentic self on here. And I'm like, this is my page, I can do whatever I want. So here we are. And here I am covering my entire face in orange. Anyway, it's just orange corrector. So if y'all really want to know all of how that works, I can make a separate video on that. But I'm just covering up what I think needs correcting. Clearly my whole face needs correcting. I am done waiting. What am I waiting for? I don't want to look back and say, oh, I could have and should have and would have done all this stuff, but I didn't because I was waiting for, you know, the perfect moment to happen. And it's like, please. Anyway, so yeah, like I was saying, I'm over this. I'm over waiting. Like, what the heck am I waiting for? Just do it now. Feel free. And honestly, I feel free. I can express myself the way I like to express myself because I'm a very expressive individual. I just figured, why am I waiting for things to be perfect when they already are perfect? Be your authentic self. Anyway, I went to Target, and you know how Target gets you. Target gets you. So it's this Profusion Gilded Eye Palette. It comes with a metallic pigment, 2, I guess, metallic liquid shades, an eyeliner, and this was like $6. Yeah, and I purchased this, and ma'am, if you were watching, I want you to know that you were very rude. When you were in line and you just happened to turn, this lady was like, "Are you in line? Am I not standing in line? Are you trying to tell me because I went to pick this up and you mad because you can't wear this that I'm not in line anymore?" Back to where we started. I was gonna wait until like lighting was perfect and all this because I hate my lighting in this room, and girl, film it today. And I know my hair looks crazy. We're gonna get into that later. This that I'm using is the Wonder Brow. I got it a couple days back and I've been trying it out. Side because I cannot look at this, and do this. I'm gonna do this off screen and then come back. Okay, I'm back. So this is what they look like. If you want to see maybe like a how-to on how to get this with that, I can make one. This year I wanted to just live, you know. I made a vision board and I looked at that, and you know, on there I just pretty much say I'm living. Do something different and see what happens. And if I like it, I'll keep doing it. If I don't like it, I won't do it anymore. I really am enjoying being a human being and sharing that with you guys. For everyone out there who wants to get on here and pretty much talk negatively about people on platforms of any creation where people are creating and doing something that, to be really honest, is very brave to do. Mind you, no one told us to do this, but still, it's very brave to put yourself out there because sometimes this is therapy for us. Not necessarily just for you, but for us to kind of like not feel like we're alone, or to just feel alive. You know what I mean? We have to, I mean, I'm not going to change the mind of somebody. If you want to be mean and hurtful and whatever, then you're going to be that. But you know, I think sometimes we have to remember that it takes a lot of courage to put yourself out there and to share with people that you don't know, to just kind of, you know, not know what's gonna happen, who's gonna like it, or if anyone is gonna like it. You know, there are people out there who, they get all kinds of backlash all the time by what they post, and you know. So I commend all of you who are out there doing something like this and putting yourself out there. I commend you because I know just how hard it can be. I went through a huge change. It's weird because I feel like I went backwards in a way, and I know I haven't. Like it had to happen. I was in a bad place in terms of health-wise, and that noise and all these noises. I was in a place that was not healthy for me, and I had to leave. And very odd to be back and feel like I went backwards, but I went forward. Like everything is better than it was when I left, but it's still bizarre. And it's like, I feel like I broke up with someone I really, really, really cared about. And, you know, here I am again, you know, back where I started. I think it's kind of serendipitous though, because it's a new year and it's literally, I'm in something new. But, you know, it's been challenging because, you know, you go through this feeling of, oh, I failed, oh, I'm not doing what I thought I would be doing. But, you know, it's life, and you just have to keep on moving. You can't just sit there and reminisce about what coulda, shoulda, woulda happened. Because I have to say, even though I moved back and it's not necessarily what I wanted, I'm proud of myself because the old me would have sat there and suffered through. Would have sat there and suffered through it. And the new me said, no. Is new me the word? The me said, I don't want to deal with this. I deserve better. I don't want to struggle. I am not feeling well. I'm gonna leave. Was it easy? It was not easy. It was a hard decision to make, but I made it and I did it, and I know it was right, but like I said, it still hurts. It still hurts. I'm using this palette, the Caviar and Rubies eyeshadow palette from Bobbi Brown, which you gotta love Bobbi. I'm gonna kind of like mix these two to get like a burgundy eye thing, and then I'm gonna use that eyeshadow palette from Profusion that I saw at Target, and then we're gonna see how that is. I'm the type of person that usually likes to have my whole life planned out and things. I really thought, okay, I'm here now, everything's gonna be different, and I kind of fell back. Today I realized I actually haven't been letting myself live. I've been, you know, waiting, still doing that thing that I do where I wait for things to be perfect and then I act. And I'm like, girl, that's something that a fearful person does, and I don't need to have fear in my life. How am I supposed to inspire not only myself but other people if I'm not listening to my own advice? First, I'm gonna swatch this long-lasting eyeliner pen. Ooh, this is Gilded. Really? 2018, do big things. Come on, camera. Okay, it's not showing, but it's called Gilded. I don't know, guys, I don't know. Okay. You know, she cute. She cute. I don't like the consistency. The next one is called Dazzling. This is what it looks like. Onto the metallic. Ignore my horrible nails. It's real. Opulent. Okay, I open it and pour it a little in the cap. Can you see that? Dazzling. And I'm just gonna apply it right on. Pray for me. Ooh, dazzling. You cute or whatever. I have to say, I like that it's not overly liquidy. It's not overly liquidy. It's just very, going to use some of the opulent. It flakes. So I'm gonna add a little more. We are gonna make it work. I'm gonna go in with this dark brown, and I'm gonna just kind of add a little bit more detail. I just want to tell you, this year, just live. Live your best life. Live your best life. Do what you want. I don't know if you can see this. Can you see this? That is kind of flaky. It's falling apart. I needed to not do this. So I'm gonna try again. Add another layer. I know y'all are like, girl, stop adding layers. It's over. Let it go. It's not gonna work. I'm gonna will it to work. I'm just gonna add some of this golden color here to help out that pigment, because it's just, it's not. It's not doing what I want it to do. This is a learning situation. Ooh, I don't know. Now we're gonna put on some liner. I feel like I need to wait. I'm gonna wait because I feel like it's not dry, and I'm gonna do the rest of my face. I am really enjoying this. I feel like it's what I should have been doing in the first place. Not necessarily like a talk through, but just kind of coming on here and doing whatever. Ooh, come on, Bronzer. It doesn't have to be perfect. It just has to be fun. And so I'm just gonna let myself have fun. I'm very much happy. I'm not happy about what I'm doing to this blush, guys. What the heck? I grabbed the wrong one, so I just committed to it. I'm like, okay, it's not right. I just want to challenge everyone this year to stop waiting. Just make the aha moment happen. Just pick it. Just do it. Just do. Because if you hold all of your talents, all of your goofiness, all of your whatever, waiting for like someone to come find you, don't do it. Just go out and put yourself out there. I know it's hard. I know it's awkward. Please put yourself out there. Don't wait for permission. And if you are, if through all of this yipping yapping I'm doing, if you are waiting for permission, here it is. You have permission to go out there, get messy. Take chances, break something, screw something up. Because you'll never grow if all you do is sit still. Love you, peace out, and hope this helps someone. Happy 2018, guys. Ooh, this one eye looks a little janky. We won't talk about that. Don't worry about it.